Hi guys, we're doing murder mystery again for the fourth round. Sorry I named my last one number 2. We actually did 2 rounds there. So we're doing murder mystery again because we're bored. So this is gonna be the fourth round. Murder mystery is the fourth round along with the third one. So this is gonna be called the fourth round. So if I win this one, bacon hairs win because once again this is salad versus bacon. So yeah.
Yeah, let's get ready, man.
Enjoy. Sorry, I don't know what happened there, but okay. We're going.
First person.
I am murderer. First person only.
Yeah. But I can't do first person.
Oh, yeah, okay. Where the heck?
I'm sorry.
Okay, so it's best out of 5 this time. So
yeah, I know.
You win the first
I'm sorry, Alvin, okay?
No,
I didn't mean to camp there. I was just, the salads like me are like scared sometimes.
Because you guys are stupid. Bacons are better.
That's so offensive.
Your face is so offensive.
That was even more offensive. Is that
The bare necessities.
What's your favorite clothing brand? It's like Supreme and like Well, let's go Workshop, man. Workshop. That's like the new thing, you know?
And I don't know how to commentate, so I'm not. Okay.
You're not gonna commentate?
No.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, you can commentate, Justin.
Okay, so like let's play some murder mystery. Like I wish I could like. Do you want me to screen record right now?
No, you don't need to.
Again. Are you fucking repeating?
But this time, effects are allowed.
What do you mean by effects?
Perks are allowed.
Oh my.
Bare necessities. Yeah. Yeah, boy! Oh, wait, what? How did you not die?
Ooh, I saw you. Like, I just, like, I suddenly saw the red mark, so then, like...
What? How did you not die?
I don't know, like, do you know they have a glitch? So, like, once I threw a knife at someone, and somehow I just didn't hit him.
What? How are these knives not hitting you?
I know. Like, once I threw it straight at his head, okay?
Yeah.
And, like, I guess he was wearing some kind of gear.
Shoot. Mind the flashing. It's just a glitch, I guess. Or at least you can say it's a glitch! Yeah! So 1-1.
Yeah.
Best out of 5. Please mind the flashing.
What flashing?
It's only a Roblox, you know.
Oh yeah, you have a flashing in your screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you want me to screen record right now so you can like somehow edit the video so like so the spectators can see, you know? Do you want me to screen record?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Then we just see it.
I'm very sleepy for some reason.
Oh really?
Yeah.
No, okay.
What did you guys get for Christmas? I got a bunch of Yu-Gi-Oh.
Yeah, and then I got some Roblox. I like Roblox. Okay?
No, what did you get from Santa?
I didn't get anything from Santa.
Oh.
Bro, I live in an apartment.
Bing, bing, bing.
I mean, I didn't.
Oh, Justin, you want to see something really cool?
Yeah.
Come here. Look what I got. Look what I got.
What you got, man?
I can't spend this one. Okay, what you got? Bare necessity. Wait, who gave you that? My uncle.
Okay.
So we're back. I was just showing Justin something. So I am sheriff. I'm paranoid. Focused.
What happened?
Nothing.
I'm focused.
Try hard mode. What? Huh? Yeah? Ooh. Ooh. I'm vanity that my brother just made.
Yeah, no, he's a bit like,
He's an idiot.
not idiot, like, just angry, okay?
Yeah. So please mind. So it's currently 2-1 me.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if I win,
In all forms. That's
3 more.
in all forms. So like big one, big picture, and small picture.
Yeah, basically.
Okay.
Wait, no, big picture. It's 3-2. Remember?
WGYM.
No, actually, yeah, it's
Big picture
Yeah, but
and
it's
small
small
picture.
so if I win, this one, then I win the whole thing.
Yeah.
And so far, I'm leading. So bacon hairs are gonna be victorious. I bet you.
Okay. Bacons are good, okay?
No, you're supposed to be my enemy.
I don't know how to be an enemy. Okay.
Just be mean.
Okay, bacon hairs are retarded.
No, you. Sass. I see you.
Really goddamn pictures. What do you mean?
I see you.
That's not me, probably.
No, I see you, Baxton, running around. I see you running around in the theater.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's right.
Lucky guess.
Where the hell are you, man?
I'm shooting at you. Ready, guys?
Oh yeah, that's you.
Oh, shoot. Oh! Oh, I didn't see that! I'm gonna pause it. See you next. Sorry, I forgot, but at least you'll get to see this intermission.
Yeah, guys. So, it's technically 2-2. I just won the last round.
Yeah, he won the last. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. That
Yeah, surprise round. I'm sorry, man. It's like some personal business.
Yeah.
Oh.
Justin, chill.
I'm sorry.
I for sure know where you are.
How do you know?
Because I know.
Well,
Are you looking at my screen?
No. Sorry. I changed my avatar. Okay.
Why?
I don't know. I'm a stupid guy.
Are you still a salad?
Yeah, I'm still a salad. Okay?
Good.
I'm salad internally.
Wait.
Yeah.
This is not gonna be good if I. Where could you possibly be? You saw me, didn't you?
What? I didn't see you because you're probably invisible or something. I don't know.
Where the heck are you?
I don't know, man. You're just in this place.
Are you an elf?
What?
Do you see me?
What do you mean, do I see you?
Because I see you. JK, I don't.
That's just creepy, okay?
I'm in this little creepy place. Oh shoot! You're an elf! That was creepy what you just did.
I know. It's like, I'm an elf, man.
How'd you become an elf?
I don't know.
Yeah. What? How did you not die there? Oh shoot! I almost got you there.
Yeah, you almost got me.
Bing! Oh no! Oh.
Oh my god, you almost hit me, man.
I almost, but I got right on top of you. I'm coming over.
Man, not
I'm
cool.
coming over.
Not
I'm
cool, man.
coming over.
Pork chop necessities. I don't know what that means, but okay.
Where did you go?
I went to the elf again. Okay.
Wait, you went to the place where you become an elf?
No. JK, I did.
Oh shoot! I'm gonna become an elf. Yeet! Okay, now it's elf versus elf. Wait, where's my knife? I think think I lost the round.
It's so hard with mobile, okay?
I'm sorry, guys, but this round doesn't count. I'll see you next round. We cut that last round because my knife disappeared, so it's still 2-2.
Yeah.
Whoever wins his next one wins the whole game, basically.
Yeah.
I mean, like, whoever, if I win the next one, I win, like, the whole thing. But if Justin wins the next round...
Okay, there's still some competition, right?
There's still some competition, yeah. So far, I'm really trying.
Yeah.
What map is it? Shoot! I don't want to be murderer.
Why not?
I hate murderer. I don't even know where you are. Oh.
I had a doubt that you weren't near the house, so then I was like, maybe you should look back. And it's like, looks back. You're there. Oh my god, boom.
Oh my gosh.
That was scary, right?
So the last competition of this whole entire game decides the winner.
So wait, did I win this one or something?
Yes, and the last competition is going to be, since Justin won the last one, is Justin. I think you should choose.
Oh really? Okay, so it can't be murder mystery, right?
No, it can't.
No, okay, man. Let me just choose, please. I beg you, just let me choose. So it doesn't have to be an obby, right?
No, it doesn't. Oh, go check out the game me and my friend made. It's the Rake Fan Edition. 5 visits. Why don't we play?
Okay.
What do you want to play?
Like, I just kind of just wait.
I don't have enough time for this in my recording, so see you guys when we decide the last round.
Yeah.